When you become a partner, you get the entire NETGEAR team behind you, driving you to succeed. The Solution Partner Portal is your source for all things NETGEAR, including training like this, and sales tools, marketing resources, webinars, product demos, and case studies. The Solution Partner Portal is your one-stop shop for deal registrations, sales incentives, discounts, and our 100% 30-day risk-free product evaluation program. With our new Product Launch Kits, including key product assets, logos, collateral, and more, it has never been easier for you to promote your partnership with NETGEAR. I assure you, we are in this together to win. We give you the tools you need to succeed, and we offer committed NETGEAR partners like you stackable discounts that can add up to great competitive margins. To make sure we are providing support to the best partners possible, we ask you to meet certain minimum requirements to be a NETGEAR partner. To be a basic NETGEAR solution partner and earn stackable rebates, you must meet very easily achievable revenue thresholds in the industry and be in good standing and have accepted NETGEAR's T's and C's. However, for platinum partners, we expect you to meet not only the revenue thresholds, but earn enhanced sales and technical competencies, ideally have demo capabilities on site or remotely, and a dedicated Total Network Solutions sales team. If you achieve at least 25% of registered project-based sales, you're welcome to the platinum level. As our partner, you can also count on strong marketing support, including development funds and broader business marketing campaigns to drive leads and awareness. We make it easy for you to achieve and surpass your sales goals. Register at our partner portal, powershift.netgear.com, and start selling NETGEAR Total Network Solution today.